Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. In today's lesson, you will learn what ordinal numbers are, how ordinal numbers are used in counting, and how to write ordinal numbers and ordinal number words. Ready? Let us begin. What are ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers represent the position or order of an object. Ordinal numbers answer the question, where is something in a list? Based on the grocery list, bread is the first item. Eggs are the second item. Milk is the third item. He is first. He reached the finish line before everyone else. When we count from left to right, one comes first. The orange marker is second because it is next to the first marker when counting from left to right. Counting from left to right, the third spool of thread is orange. Which cart is yellow? Is it the first, second, third, or fourth cart? The fourth cart is yellow. Counting from left to right, the light pink toothbrush is in the fifth position. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. The sixth pencil is light blue. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This clock shows the seventh hour. This clock shows the eighth hour. Now you will learn how to write ordinal numbers and ordinal number words from first to 10th. Let us begin. Write the ordinal number first. Now write the ordinal number word first. Write the ordinal number second. Now write the ordinal number word second. Write the ordinal number third. Now write the ordinal number word. Write the ordinal number fourth. Now write the ordinal number word fourth. Write the ordinal number fifth. Now write the ordinal number word fifth. Write the ordinal number sixth. Now write the ordinal number word sixth. Write the ordinal number seventh. Now write the ordinal number word seventh. Write the ordinal number eighth. Noun write the ordinal number word, eighth. Write the ordinal number, ninth. Noun write the ordinal number word, ninth. Write the ordinal number, tenth. Noun write the ordinal number word, tenth. Today you've learned how to write ordinal numbers and how to write ordinal number words. Let us read the ordinal numbers and ordinal number words together. Ready? Let us begin. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Great job. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 19. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few minutes every day to review this lesson. If you find it difficult to do any part of this lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can complete this lesson with ease. When you can complete this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of learning this interactive lesson, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.